The following graph gives information about Azerbaijan map. Data of different areas are displayed on the map. At the left area, there are some details about Asia. According to this graph, to the north of Azerbaijan is Russia. What's more, to the south of Azerbaijan is Iran. You can see from this graph, Armenia is to the west of Azerbaijan. To sum up, the map tells about where Azerbaijan is. The following graph gives information about the beginning of the flowchart for the quiz. According to this graph, the first step is to click to start the quiz. Secondly, it is to go to question 1. You can see from this graph that the third one is to click false or true. Then the next step is to click to the next question. The final thing is to go to question 2. To sum up, this graph tells about the flowchart for the quiz.
The following graph gives information about the reasons why people left the UK. The items include the join family, friends, weather, life quality, and so on. According to this graph, the proportion of join family friends is around 39%, and that of weather is lower, which is around 24%. You can see from this graph that the highest proportion is to join family friends, which is around 39%. You can also see from this graph that the lowest proportion is life quality, which is around 9%. In conclusion, joint family friends have the highest proportion of the reasons why people left the UK. The following graph gives information of the Iron Age hut. According to this graph, this is a cross-section of an ancient hut, which is triangular in shape. In the middle of the graph, it's a pillar supporting the sloping rafters, and the roofs are covered by reed thatch. In the hut, you can see ashes and seats below the ground level. On the ground level, there is the turf wall. To sum up, this graph tells about the Iron Age hut.
The map gives us information about the tropical rainforests of the world. As we can see from the map, all the continents include North America, South America, Europe, Africa, and Australia. However, when it comes to the tropical rainforests, they are only in the northern part of South America, the middle part of Africa, and the Philippines, Borneo, and New Guinea. In conclusion, the tropical rainforests are largely distributed near the equator.